Hi there, it's Mark here again. We've got Rob on the camera.
Hello!
And we've come down to the park on this lovely sunny April day. And we're going to give this Tyrrell F1 car, 1988 or I think it is, Argentine Grand Prix on the F103 6-wheel chassis. I wasn't going to run it after I finished painting it, Rob, because it looks so nice.
Yeah.
But I do think we should get some you know, little shots of it, just for posterity. Leave it on the on YouTube. Posterity, is that the word?
Yeah. It's quick.
There's a man coming. So it's totally stock, dude. It's got the stock silver cannies.
Yeah.
It's just got the bushings in the wheels. They're brass bushings. There's a couple of bearings in the kit that go in the back of the gearbox. As you can see, it's got foam tyres. But I think it's made for running indoors on carpet and stuff like that. At least this is quite smooth this tarmac here, isn't it? But, I'll just give it a nice gentle drive and we'll see if we can get some nice close-up shots on the GoPro and that.
Yep.
So yeah, fingers crossed I don't crash it, Rob.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
And, oh yeah, if I feel like it after I've run it a couple of laps around, I might even give it a speed test, see how quick it goes.
Right.
Okay then, let's do it, Rob.
Let's go for it, mate.
Right then, here we go. First time ever, never been run. Let's see what she's like. Ooh, how smooth is that. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. We're okay apart from running over those curbs, mate. Oh, she's a bit feisty, dude.
Yeah.
Looks beautiful though, doesn't it?
I can't tell.
Well, that is beautiful and smooth, isn't it, mate?
It is.
It's very responsive to the throttle and the steering. You can't get over the steering lock on it. All them 6 wheels, dude.
Yeah.
He's pretty fast. Right, I'm going to open it up on the straight. To turn the dual brake down.
Ooh.
No, I'm not. Do you know what? I don't think I want to do that speed test, Bob.
Right.
No, it's just spinning out, mate. It's got so much power.
Yeah.
Right then, mate, I think what we'll do is try and keep it in one piece. We've got lots of dust on it already, and we'll just get some nice arty shots of it, shall we?
Yeah.
And we'll forget that speed test.
Yeah, okay. That was Rob. Look what he's done. He crashed it. Got dark on it now.
Well, there you go. That was a lot of fun. As you saw, and as Rob saw with the camera, there's no grip. It's all this dust. You can see the dust is all over the body now. Yeah, no grip whatsoever. But
No.
it's a lot faster than I was expecting. I reckon it'd do 25, 30 mile an hour, something like that.
If we're there.
Yeah, it's really responsive with the steering. What a brilliant, fantastic kit that is. So that's it then, Rob. We'd better put this away. And I think we'll have a play with the Porsche now.
Yeah, why not, sir?
Out there, you guys, thanks for watching, and hope to see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.